How to use Miracle Thunder to flash keyboard phone. All kind of keyboard phone in the world, Miracle Thunder got them covered. Here with me is 2160, Itel 2160. I repeat, Itel 2160. And this phone was on password. So I'm going to launch the Miracle Thunder. So you can watch and see the simplest way to flash this type of phone. Even the phone was on privacy or any kind of password at all, you can flash it, this kind of phone with it with the software. And you can also flash 528, 529, 5606, 474, a lot of keyboard phone. And the most interesting part is that you are not paying for this software. It's totally free. The only thing you can pay for is when you are downloading it, your data, the data you are consuming while downloading it, that is on. And after that, you download the software and download the driver, then boom, you are good to go. Here I've launched the software. As you can see, you can do a lot of things with this software. You can run Android, Samsung, Highway, a lot of phones. Here you can click the format, then untick this save mode and leave it on that auto. Then click the power button, the start button, then say no. If you show you that option, say no. Then connect your phone. Make sure the phone you turn it off before you connect it, and make sure your cable is a data cable. You understand? Make sure you use a data cable so that everything will work perfectly the way it's going. As you can see, in less than 2 seconds the phone has flashed. You see, it's not magic, guys. It's very, very simple. And your system needs to be offline or online. It doesn't even matter. Even you are online or offline, you are good to go. As you can see, the phone is flashed. Ask me, comment on the video. Ask me for the software. If you can't find it, I can tell you how you can get it. Or maybe I can drop a link on the comment section. You can click the link and go and download the software. And if you find it difficult on how to install the software, let me know. I will direct you on how to install the system. And make sure before downloading the software, make sure you understand the operating system you are using. It's either you are using 32-bit or 64-bit, so that you know the one to download. As you can see, the phone is okay.